On a single day in 216 BCE, the Roman Republic lost more soldiers than many ancient states possessed in total. By nightfall, tens of thousands lay dead, packed so tightly their bodies could not fall. The battlefield of Cannae became a grave without walls, and news of what happened there spread faster than any army. Senators wept openly. Allies reconsidered their loyalties. For the first time, Rome feared extinction. This was not a battle, it was a controlled annihilation. Stay with Ancient Odyssey as we revisit the slaughter that terrified the ancient world. If you value cinematic history rooted in evidence, consider subscribing. Rome believed numbers would solve what caution could not. After earlier defeats by Hannibal, Roman leaders abandoned restraint and assembled one of the largest armies they had ever fielded, over 80,000 men. They marched to Cannae confident that sheer force would crush the invader. Hannibal, outnumbered and deep in enemy territory, understood Rome's mindset perfectly. He chose the battlefield carefully, a flat plain ideal for Roman confidence and fatal to Roman rigidity. Ancient sources like Polybius emphasize that both sides knew what was coming. Rome sought a decisive victory. Hannibal sought something far more final. At Cannae, Hannibal engineered destruction with chilling precision. He weakened his center deliberately, allowing Roman infantry to surge forward in dense formation. As they pressed inward, believing victory was near, Hannibal's flanks held firm. Then his cavalry crushed Rome's horsemen and attacked from behind. The Roman army was sealed inside a living ring of steel. There was no escape, no room to fight, no space even to fall. According to Livy, soldiers suffocated under the weight of their own ranks. By sunset, as many as 50,000 Romans were dead. No ancient battle compared. Cannae's true power was psychological. Hannibal did not pursue Rome immediately. Instead, he released captured Italian allies and executed Roman citizens selectively. The message was unmistakable. Rome could not protect its own. Panic swept the Republic. Mourning was banned in public to prevent collapse. Senators armed themselves, expecting invasion. Entire regions defected. Even Rome's enemies watched in awe and fear. Never before had a single battle threatened to erase a superpower's future. Hannibal had not just destroyed an army, he had shaken the idea of Roman inevitability to its core. Yet, Rome did not surrender. Instead of seeking revenge, it embraced survival. The Senate refused negotiations. New armies were raised from teenagers, slaves, and criminals. Generals were ordered to avoid pitched battles entirely. The Republic accepted humiliation in exchange for endurance. Cannae became a lesson burned into Roman identity. Never again risk everything in one blow. Hannibal remained undefeated, but the terror he unleashed forced Rome to evolve. The slaughter that should have ended Rome instead hardened it into something far more dangerous. Cannae became the benchmark of military horror. For centuries, commanders studied it in fear and fascination. Hannibal proved that intelligence and discipline could erase even the largest force. But the aftermath revealed a darker truth. Terror alone cannot end a system built on resilience. Rome survived not because it was stronger, but because it refused to accept defeat. Cannae exposes the brutal limits of violence as a political weapon. Power is not decided only by who kills the most, but by who endures the longest. If this moment reshaped how you see ancient warfare, subscribe to Ancient Odyssey, where history's darkest turning points still echo.